Alright, so now we're going to talk about how to stretch your hip flexors while kneeling. A great cool down activity. We're going to be stretching out the back leg. We're going to be doing one leg at a time from a single kneeling position. Now make sure your ankle, your knee, and your hip are all in alignment and that the knee and the ankle are in alignment with each other, because the next thing we're going to be doing is driving that knee forward to stretch the hip on the back leg. Then once you're in that position, you're going to side bend so you can fully stretch out your psoas muscle of bend away from the back leg. Hold and breathe 30 to 60 seconds and you'll have that stretch nice and engaged. Make sure that your body is relaxed outside of the muscle that you're targeting. Now let's switch and do the other side. Same exact thing, we just bring the other leg forward. We make sure that the hip, the knee, and the ankle are all in alignment and that the knee and the ankle are in alignment with each other, because next we drive the hips forward, bringing that knee forward and stretching. Then we bend away from that leg that's being stretched to fully get that psoas muscle, the main of the three hip flexor muscles, nice and stretched. Hold and breathe 30 to 60 seconds, and after that, once you're done, you can do a different stretch as part of a stretch series. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.